Okay, so here we go.
It's cute.
Flavotrapezius,
Acromius
acromius, spinotrapezius, latissimus dorsi. Then we have the
Clavodeltoid.
acromiodeltoid,
And
spinodeltoid. Here we have the teres major. If we flip it
Infraspinatus.
over, we have infraspinatus, supraspinatus. And then if we go like this, we have the rhomboideus minor, rhomboideus major,
Subscapularis.
subscapularis, serratus ventralis, serratus dorsalis. Here we have spinalis dorsi, latissimus dorsi, longissimus dorsi, iliocostalis. Then that's all. Then we have the splenius capitis under here also.
Yeah.
Splenius capitis. I know my eyes, right? Okay. Let's do this part. So then we have the triceps brachii. We have the long head, lateral head, medial head.
Oh, it's not medialis, it's just medial
Medial
head.
head. Medialis, maybe medialis.
I'll look it up. I don't know.
Yeah, look at that. I don't know. I'm like actually like I know. Okay, brachialis,
Brachioradialis.
brachioradialis, extensor
carpi
carpi
radialis.
radialis, extensor, these two, extensor digitorum
Communis.
communis, and then extensor digitorum,
No, extensor carpi ulnaris.
ulnaris. Sorry. Ulnaris. So that goes to the ulnar. Okay. Then let's turn it around.
Hi. He needs a teeth fix. I just can't help myself. That is so funny. I got somebody popped in their mouth.
Okay, so here we have serratus ventralis.
Scalenus.
The scalenus is right here, which kind of goes up.
Which one is that?
It goes up like that, scalenus. And then here is transversus costarum, right here. Transversus costarum. Subscapularis, right here. Then, what else do you need to know? Here, we have biceps brachii, triceps brachii, which goes to triceps long head, biceps brachii, then we go here, yeah?
And the pronator teres.
Oh, yeah, okay, so pronator teres also goes to that little thing. Pronator teres is here. We have the brachioradialis. Here we have, and the inside is going to be, okay, well this is the other side. This is extensor. Remember, this pronator teres is going to
Separate the extensor
from the flexor. So extensor carpi radialis, flexor carpi radialis. This is the palmaris longus.
Oh my gosh.
Palmaris longus. Palmaris longus. And then here we have the
Flexor
carpi
ulnaris.
ulnaris. And that's all we need to know. That's it. Okay, then we have the pectoralis major and minor.
Minor at the bottom.
They're up, yeah. Okay, so major is going to be
It's going to be here, actually.
Yeah, so major is going to be
It's going to go like that. That's going to be a small piece up there and connect there under the
minor is going to be
antebrachialis.
here. Minor is going to be there.
Awesome.
Okay, then let's do up here. Di, two.
Digastric.
Di means two, so digastric, masseter. Over here you see this little vein. It kind of separates the mylohyoid from the sternohyoid. And then here is going to be where the vein kind of like separates. It's going to be the sternomastoid. All that. Okay, then let's go to this part. So we have the obliques. We have the external oblique, internal oblique, transversus abdominis. I always say that wrong. Transversus abdominis, and then rectus abdominis is where like the abdominal by the linea alba.
And you have your internal costalis.
Then we have the intercostal. So we have external intercostal and then internal intercostal, which is on it. So this is kind of flapping up is the external internal. Okay, then let's go down to the legs. Okay, here we have sartorius on the outside, gracilis on the inside, semimembranosus, semitendinosus is where under. Oh, whatever, we'll see it later.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
It's right
Oh,
there.
here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I want to pull on it.
semimembranosus, semitendinosus. Okay, so adductor femoris, adductor longus,
Pectineus.
iliopsoas. Then what's here? Okay, this is the vastus medialis, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis. Okay, then let's just flip it around and do the back side now. Okay, so this is the,
Gluteus minimus.
sorry.
Why did I say minimus? It's not minimus.
Minimum.
Gluteus
It's a little one.
It's
minor.
media. Gluteus
Thank you.
medius.
Maximus.
Gluteus medialis.
Medialis.
Something like
I
that.
don't know.
And then gluteus maximus, gluteus medialis.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ginger.
Gluteus maximus is the smaller one. Then here we have biceps femoris, but it's also biceps, which kind of is weird. This is the semitendinosus. Here is the vastus lateralis, coming from the opposite side, which we just did. Then, that's all we need to know. Then let's go down.
Gastrocnemius.
Okay, gastrocnemius,
Soleus.
soleus, a little bump, pectineus, or no,
Peroneus.
peroneus, sorry, peroneus, and then here we have
Extensor
extensor
digitorum.
digitorum longus, tibialis anterior, and if we flip it around, I was killing this cat. Tibialis anterior, the bone, then we have the flexor digitorum longus, soleus, gastrocnemius. That's it.
I feel confident.
I do too. Now let's do the organs. Okay. Okay, so we have, what's up here?
Trachea.
Larynx.
Larynx,
Trachea.
trachea,
Under is esophagus.
under is the esophagus, goes down. Okay. Now we have the heart. We have the left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle, pulmonary trunk right here, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, aorta is underneath. The lungs, we just need to know right and left. Then we have the diaphragm over here connecting it to the liver.
Fascia latae.
Falciform
Fascia,
ligament.
Lord.
Falciform ligament. Oh, yeah, we forgot the fascia latae.
Falciform ligament.
Falciform ligament. Then we have the liver. So we have the
Yeah, right.
right medial.
The
Right
gallbladder.
medial with the gallbladder in the middle. This is the left medial at the top. Left medial. Left lateral.
Right lateral.
Right lateral is right under it. Then it goes to the stomach. So then we have the cardiac of the stomach, the fundus of the stomach, the body, the greater curvature, lesser curvature,
Pylorus.
pylorus sphincter, the duodenum with the spleen,
Pancreas.
pancreas, then the mesenterium is holding it all together.
Mesentery.
Mesentery.
We're tutoring each other.
Yeah, we
Small
all
bone
help each
intestine.
other. Mesentery, with the jejunum. He's not going to ask that, he said.
No, yeah, he
That I
did say
got.
that. He did say that.
This is the greater omentum, the spleen. Okay, let's see where the colon and the small intestine enters the colon is over
right
here.
Right there.
Cecum.
So here's the cecum, is that little thing right here. The cecum, which goes, the part of the small intestine is called the ileum, and then the ileocecal valve. Then we have the ascending colon, the transverse colon, and the descending colon. And then the rectum, which is right down there. And then underneath the
Kidney.
spleen, we have the kidney, so the left kidney. Is it on the? Yeah, it's fine. Left kidney, thank you so much. And then we have the ureter, right?
Ureter.
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 Ureter. To the urinary bladder, to the urethra.
Right.
And then on the female, we have the
ovary.
something horn.
The urinary horns is uterine horns.
That's the first I didn't heard of that.
Uterine
uterine
horn
horn.
is where the little babies are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uterine horns. They're like those little horns, and then
I hope
the
he shows
ovaries.
the pregnant one. Who had the pregnant cat? Somebody over here had a pregnant cat.
You want to end it or?